everyone! This is Monica from Studio 300 with a craft for Fountaindale's Teen Crafternoon series. Halloween is tomorrow! Whether or not you need some last-minute decorations, or if you moonlight as a witch like me and need year-round pieces for your lair, here are 2 examples of some creepy heads in jars you can make with stuff at home. For the first craft, you'll need a bottle or a jar, water in a funnel, a photo of yourself or a friend making a creepy face, a laminator with a lamination sheet, and some food coloring. You might also want a stick to move the photo around in the bottle. Brooms are optional. First, take a photo of you or a friend with your face pressed against a window. Don't forget to be safe. Do this at home on a surface you can clean. Bonus if you can take a picture with a dark background. Mine's a little blurry, but I don't mind because I want it to look scary. Next, put the photo in the lamination sheet and pass the sheet through the laminator. You can always stop by Studio 300 in the library to do this. Trim the excess lamination material off of the photo. Then roll it up and shove it into the bottle. Mix in drops of food coloring until you get a nice dark color. For the second version, you'll need a jar, a cheap latex Halloween mask, some water, and food coloring. Pick a jar that the mask can be squished into. You don't want it to be too big or too small. Once you have arranged the mask in the jar how you like, fill it with water and your choice of food coloring. I'm making mine look like pickle juice. Take a spoon out of your magical cloak and give the jar a stir. Bonus tip: if you want your jar to look extra gross, fill it with cooking oil instead of water. You can also use food coloring here. Eventually, the food coloring will separate and look like a gross ooze. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed this project. If you decide to make this at home, make sure to share it with us at fountaindale.org/crafternoons or on social media at #FountaindaleLib. For more programs like this, visit fountaindale.org/events. Bye-bye!